Hello everyone. It's a time ago, I think 2 weeks, that I check my Warre beehive. Maybe as you know, I put it here some combination window. It's the double of a box or support, and I have to monitor it every time to check what's happened because this type of window is experiment for me, and it's the new. And I want to know the development or my beehive during a year. I think a year must be a time that I have to monitor it. And today I want to check it. I want to look or they are finished with the 8 windows in or not, and or there is enough brood, and if there is enough food. Actually, at this time we do also the treatments for Warre, but this hive I did have it with oxalic, and I have to say it's finished. I don't think that it needs something for Warre. And treatments and giving feed to the bees is sometimes a problem because they're in same time and they're in same time. And actually, for many treatment, you don't have to give the feed to the bees. Okay, let's start. I have to say, maybe I say it in another video. In Warre, is not only in Warre, in any hive, if you feed the bees going make the windows, and also the queen make the brood. She put more eggs. That is some kind of formula. And I give them one sugar, one water at this time of year. Of course, it depends where you live, which country you live. Actually, I have to say, if you live in coolest country, I think the sugar and water, you have to be careful, because when it's too cold, it's too difficult for the bees to put water out of the sugar. And yeah, vapor, I think they call it, I don't know. But at this time of year, where I live in Holland, is okay. It's not problem. And one sugar, one water is perfect for make or build the windows. That is the how I do. I give them a few smoke is enough, and when I want, this is actually the box of food, and I know that this is their food, and I think there is not queen, because in many hives they put also in the Warre, they put the food in highest level of hive, because they don't want from to be robbery, or that they lost the food because of that. I take my tools. Because of that, I put it the upper box away. I have some camera and sometimes it's not easy. It's torn and it's not what I want. I have to say it's not so heavy as last time. Put it just here. They are quiet. I put outside the tools, something like this. But I do always smoke very badly. I put it away. Sometimes it's working too good. Okay. I have to turn the camera, and yeah, now it's okay. I want to see or they built or not. Otherwise, is it finished or not? Because I want that they finished it. This is my combination window, of course, and we can look at it. And after that, I check or is enough brood or not. It's same they are not finished, and if they are not finished, I have to feed them again. That is the point. And there are many bees. I shake it. Sometimes it's queen there. They don't like it at all. And I put it here, near to the hive. And then it's enough place for me to check the windows. And as you know, I think we're making a chance, yes, we make it a chance to the brood. And the construction of hive now in combination window is something like this. Hey, they make the, it's funny, they put a queen cell here. It's strange for this time of year. It's maybe they want to change the queen. I don't know. It's one. If it's more than 7, I have to turn the camera. If they are more than 7, more than 5, sorry, they want to swarm. But if they are the queen cell less than 5 or 5, it's mean they want to change the queen. Sometimes the queen is sick or the colony don't like her and they want to make a new queen. And also if the queen cell is in middle of window, then is the change. It's the queen change, and I see also 2 here. It's very strange. Always the hive have some surprise for you, because in my mind it was very nice queen. I have to find now the queen. If I find her, I try to break the another cell, and that should be maybe work. But I think they want to swarm. Is also the points if you give them food too much, it's something tricky to swarm. If they have too much food, they won't be a swarm. I think I don't know at this moment which one is that, or the queen is dead or sick or they don't like it. Okay, I have now changed my method. I have to find the queen. If I find her, I destroyed another queen cell. I have to see. Thanks for watching. It's about 10 minutes, more than 10 minutes, and if it's very long, of course, is not nice. But anytime, anyway, I make during the year at least try to make one video to develop what's happened with my combination window. You can follow me. If you have some idea, you can of course write a comment. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye. Of course, I have to put my hand glove out.